gentlemen, hello and welcome to Fusion Festival 2021. My name is Gurpriya Pemra and it is pleasure to be here with all of you tonight. We have prepared a show for you with the best entertainment, full of music, art and much more. I would like to take a moment to thank all of you for your support to the South Asian community in the province of Alberta. The Fusion Festival 2021 has been brought to you by Multicultural Media and Foundation, Canadian Heritage, Alberta, and Alberta Foundation for the Arts. This is Fusion Festival 2021. With their astonishing variety of geographical, cultural, and artistic characteristics, each country from the South Asian region has made significant contributions to the development of Alberta's multicultural landscape. Without further ado, let's start with music here at Fusion Festival 2021.
धनि नि प द द द म प म प नि सा 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 धनि नि प द द द म प म प नि सा 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 धनि नि प द द द म प म प ग म ध नि सा ग म ध नि सा ग म ध नि सा बल बल जाऊं मैं तोरे रंग रजवा बल बल जाऊं मैं तोरे रंग रजवा तोरे रंग रजवा तोरे रंग रजवा
अपनी सी रंग दी
छाप तिलक सब छीन रे मुझसे नैना मिलाएंगे छाप तिलक सब छीन रे मुझसे नैना मिलाएंगे खुसरोनी जाम के बल बल जाइए खुसरोनी जाम के बल बल जाइए बल बल जाइए बल बल जाइए छाप तिलक सब छीन रे मुझसे नैना मिलाएंगे छाप तिलक सब छीन रे मुझसे नैना मिलाएंगे छाप तिलक सब छीन रे मुझसे नैना
Fusion Festival is being broadcast on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Follow us. Today we will have an episode full of music, arts, and the uplifting energy of the South Asian community. This is Fusion Festival 2021. Hey everyone, we just heard the song Chhaap Tilak Sab Chheeni by Indian Music Ensemble by Subhash Giri. Qawwali is very popular music style of the Indian subcontinent. It's a form of Sufi devotional Islamic singing originally performed at Sufi shrines. Today, this style has received international popularity. The musicians of this extraordinary musical productions are for harmonium and voice Subhash Giri, tabla Amrit Pal Singh, voices Ritu Arvikar, Amrit Garewal and Lakshmi, music arrangements by Subhash Giri. This is Fusion Festival 2021.
लुक छिप ना जाओ जी मन दीद कराओ जी राखियों तरसावे हो मन सकल दिखाओ जी भाई शरारत सब जाड़ू में जो धरे बारिश ले वो न पंगा जी में कह लगे मारे हिबड़े में जागी धोकड़ी रे चंदा में थारी चांदनी मन दामन में बाती खुशी झुम 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 मारे हिबड़े में जागी धोकड़ी रे चंदा में थारी चांदनी बड़े दामन में बाती खुशी रे झुम 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 खचरा हरी शरारत सब जाड़ू में जो धरी बारिश में ओ न पंगाजी में के लगे मारे हिबड़े में जागी धोकड़ी रे चंदा में धारी चांदड़ी बड़े दामड़ में बाधी खुशी रे झुम 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 मारे हिबड़े में जागी धोकड़ी रे चंदा में धारी चांदड़ी बड़े दामड़ में बाधी खुशी रे झुम 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 झुम
Wow, brilliant music production. Big applause to the Indian music ensemble by Subhash Giri. They interpreted for us two songs with traditional roots that have been practiced for centuries by the people of South Asia. Dear friends, it's time to highlight some of the businesses that have made an impact in the province of Alberta. Up next, we have Amba Jewelers, a jewelry store that has become an absolute success here in Edmonton. The story of Amba Jewelers begins in the year 1971 in Bhavanigarh, a small town in Punjab, India. Mangal Ram decided to take the family gold making tradition to a different level and commercialize it, and that's where Amba Jewelers came into existence. Amba Jewelry not only specializes in 22 karat gold but also has an exclusive collection of diamond jewelry. You can find them at Millwoods Town Centre Mall.
Hi, my name is Angela from Amba Jewelers. So we'll be supporting the Fusion Festival, which will be happening this weekend, Saturday, Sunday. It'll be live on YouTube. Please visit us at Amba Jewelers. We focus on 22 karat gold. We're here to serve our customers. We guarantee the purity of our gold. Jewelers, we guarantee the purity of our gold. All of our jewelry is 916 and it's certified from Dubai. We focus on designs such as like earrings, sets with matching earrings. We also focus on things like rings. Beautiful hoops, beautiful chains. And we're gonna move towards our beautiful bangles. All of our designs are very unique. We also have men's bracelets, men's rings, and last, we also cater to silver as well. So we can see in this area, so we carry very high quality Italian silver. Please visit us at Amba Jewelers. My name is Angela and we look forward to seeing you on the Fusion Festival this week.
Exquisite job from Amba Jewelers. Let's continue with more music here at Fusion Festival 2021.
Hi, yo. I hope you're all doing good and surviving in the COVID quarantine. I'm going to play something a little slower. This one's called Starlight. It's a song I wrote about 10 years ago, and it's just about starry night sky and the clouds and the rain come in and then it passes and the stars all come out again. Everything is really beautiful. The lights just shining down on the landscape. So hope you can imagine that while I'm playing, and hope this brightens your day a little bit. Hope you liked it. Everyone take care, hang in there, and love you all.
Hello, hope you're all doing good. I'm going to play a Carnatic piece for you, South Indian classical music. It's called Vallabhanayakasya. The raga is called Gegara, and the composer is Muthuswami Nishkar. Notice I'm sitting cross-legged and bracing my line against the candy seal. I got an open tune, C, G, C, G, kind of across the tune violin and viola. And I got a beat machine to beat, and I'm supposed to play a song or two. I prefer to have a real person playing the beat, but it's so hard to do when I'm practicing at home. So hope you like it, and enjoy yourself. you. Hope you liked it.
Hey everyone, we just saw Gautam Karnik, an extraordinary violinist with an extensive music trajectory. He currently lives in Edmonton and is doing a brilliant job spreading the South Asian music culture in the province of Alberta. Gautam Karnik is currently working on an exquisite music production in which we would be able to listen and experience his undeniable talent and absolute passion for music. Friends, it is time to take a moment and send a warm thank you to our fantastic sponsors. We won't be able to make this festival possible without them. The Fusion Festival 2021 sponsors are Multicultural Media and Foundation, Canadian Heritage, Alberta Foundation for the Arts. Thank you for supporting the cultural activities in Canada. Up next, we have another deluxe guest and thriving business. Pristine Beauty Salon is here to show us their extraordinary beauty services such as threading, waxing, facials, and much more. Join us in this visit to Pristine Beauty Salon.
Hi everyone, this is Jonam here from Pristine Beauty Salon. We are supporting Fusion Festival this year and our services are threading, facials and waxings for all skin types. And to book an appointment, please call me at 514-573-8500 and my Instagram handle is Pristine Beauty Salon. Thank you.
One of the most popular and definitely favorite things about South Asian culture is our food. Do you know where you can find one of the most exquisite South Asian cuisines here in Edmonton? At Curries and Puffs. They offer a range of diverse, delicious and traditional dishes that are also healthy, inexpensive and prepared with the best gastronomic standards in the city of Edmonton. I would love to take you all for dinner at Curries and Puffs, but because we are doing this festival online, I will do my best to showcase their culinary skills. Let's give them a visit at Millwoods Town Centre Mall. Join me.
Hello, my name is Sonam Paul. I'm from Curries and Puffs, and this year we are supporting the Fusion Festivals. And you can visit my restaurant. We are making here fresh foods, and if we have some specials, chole bhature from Delhi styles, we have chole kulche, or we are selling here parathas too, and we have some attractions items here, vegetables patty, we have chicken patty and paneer patty, and we are making from the scratch here, and you can visit us. We are in the Millwood Town Centre. My phone number is 780-760-6444. Thank you.
साजन मोरे घर आया है, साजन मोरे घर आया, आँखियन में सुख पाया, आँखियन में सुख पाए, साजन मोरे घर आए, आए
We just enjoyed the amazing musicians of Indian Music Academy with the song Sajjan More. This is an Edmonton-based music academy that teaches Indian instruments, namely sitar, tabla, bansuri, harmonium, guitar, violin, dholak and voice. Group and individual lessons are available for all age groups in person and online. Instruments are available for rent and purchase. Emphasis is given to performing arts and students perform in various concerts every year. The Indian Music Academy is composed of Raghav Vamaraju in the keys, Ojas Joshi playing tabla, Shruti Nair and Raghav Vamaraju are the vocals, and Sharmila Mathur playing the sitar and musical direction. Dear friends, unfortunately we have come to the end of this episode, but I would love to invite you to join us tomorrow same time at any of our social media platforms. Choose your favorite and enjoy amazing music, art, food and much more. This is Fusion Festival 2021. To close this episode, we will have Krishna Hare Shyam Hare, a traditional song with some interesting musical arrangements by the Indian Music Academy.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for inviting us to your event today. We're all very happy to be performing this evening for all of you. First of all, I'd like to introduce us. Myself, Shruti Nair. I'll be singing today for all of you. Along with me on the vocals and on the keyboard, Raghav Vamaraju. On tabla, we have Ojas Joshi. On sitar, Sharmila Mathur. We are happy to perform 3 songs for you today. The first one is a classical fusion based on Rag Jog. The second one is a devotional song in praise of Lord Krishna. And the third one is a folk song from Rajasthan. Hope all of you will enjoy this. Thank you once again.
Krishna Hare Krishna Radha Govind Hare केशव सावरे मोहरा नटनागर सुंदर गोपीकांत गोवर्धन कृष्ण हरे श्याम हरे राधा गोविंद हरे मीरा गोपाल हरे मीरा गोपाल